How to set up Nintendo Family Group. To set up Nintendo Family Group, first of all, you have to access the Family Group settings on a browser. So go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice on your device. Then you simply have to tap on the sign in option or the human-like silhouette on the bottom right corner, and then proceed to log into your account by tapping on that login option. Once you log into your account with the adult's account, that will act as the admin. So you simply have to now click on the Family Group in the left-hand navigation bar layout menu. Once you tap on that option inside the Family Group screen, click the Add Member button and select the Invite to Family Group option. Type in the email that is tied to your family member's unique existing Nintendo account. Then click Submit. The system will automatically shoot a secure network invitation link directly to their inbox. Now you simply have to click on that verification link inside the message and log into the personal Nintendo account browser screen and click the Join Family Group option. Once the group is created, from there you can create your child's account as well, set the restrictions and the user's time. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.